Hey everyone, Tara here. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial to show you how to load Microsoft Teams on your mobile device to access your classes and assignments. Before downloading the Teams app, you will need your school computer login and your password. Your login is a 5 or 6-digit number followed by the letter S, and your password is your birthday. If you cannot remember your school computer login or password, just ask a teacher and they will be able to give it to you. Next, on your phone, open the App Store for downloading apps. Search for Teams, T-E-A-M-S, and you can see Microsoft Teams. Click on it. And we're going to download Microsoft Teams. You may need to check with your parents before downloading this app. This is where you're going to sign in with your computer school login and your password. Next, you can allow Teams to send notifications. Allowing access to the microphone is important for participating in future meetings, so click on OK. And welcome to Teams. You are in. At the bottom of the screen is a menu bar. You are currently displaying the activity screen, which shows if there has been anything added to your classes since you last logged in. To the right is the chat icon. When chosen, chat is where you can send and receive messages. It works like text messaging on your phone. This is a great way to quickly contact your teachers and your classmates. Please keep all school messages appropriate. The Teams icon shows you access to all your classes. There may still be some classes from last year as the school district may have not removed them yet. The Assignments tab shows you all the assignments from all your classes all mixed together. And the More icon on the very right-hand side gives you access to many features, including the Microsoft Calendar. The Call icon is the ability to start a meeting with a teacher over Microsoft Teams. The Camera feature is the most important in the More icon. Please allow Teams to access your camera so you can take photos of your paper assignments or worksheets and upload them to your assignments in Teams. So click on OK. Then, once you click the Hand In button in your assignments, your teacher will be able to review your uploaded work. In summary, uploading the Teams app will enable you to quickly communicate with your teachers and access your classes. Remember, using Teams on your phone is the easiest way to upload a photo of your completed work to your assignment for marking rather than using a computer. If you have any more questions about Teams, your teachers are there to help. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.